Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your railing contractor business. So let's suppose I am running railing contractor business and I am receiving many queries on my WhatsApp. I was manually replying to all of the queries and this was consuming a lot of my time. So I am completely going to automate this process, and to do this automation, I am going to create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. With the help of this WhatsApp chatbot, I am instantly going to reply to all the queries sent by my users. Now, when I am going to create this WhatsApp chatbot and when a user sends me a message, automatically the reply will be sent to that user based on the query. And with the help of this integration which I have created with the help of Pabbly Connect between Google Sheets and Pabbly Chatflow, I am going to add all the details sent by this user to my Google Sheets. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to see how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for a railing contractor business. For this, I have created this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and now we are going to check this once. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to send some message like, I'm going to send this message. Now let's wait for the reply. And here it has sent me this message. Hi, welcome to ABC Contractor, your go-to railing contractor. How can I assist you today? Now, if I click on this request custom code, it is going to ask me a few questions. First, it is asking me to upload a photo. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this add. I'm going to upload a random photo. I'm going to send this by clicking on this send, and as soon as this photo or the image will be sent, I'm going to receive the next reply. And as I do this, all the details will be automatically added to my Google Sheet spreadsheet. Here now it is asking me for my name. So I'm going to enter my name as this. I'm going to send this message, and the next question which it is asking me is the location. So I'm going to send this message about my location or the address. It says, got it, we'll review your request and get back to you shortly. You will see that all these details are added to my Google Sheet spreadsheet. I'm going to open it. And here these are the details. I have received the image link. If I open this, I'm going to receive the same image. This is the image which I have sent. And then in the Google Sheet, I have received the name and the location which I have sent to this business from my WhatsApp. And if I click on this book installation, it is going to ask me the question again. Book installation, please provide the date. So let's say the date is this. I'm going to send this message and let's wait for the reply. And it says your installation appointment request is noted. The last button was of contact support and it is going to send me the contact information. And here we have received the details. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run. And now to learn how to create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your railing contractor business. For this, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And to visit Pabbly Chatflow, we simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And now after browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access Now. And here it has taken me towards this Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. Now, if you want to learn how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number. You can connect your WhatsApp number with the help of this WhatsApp Connect, or you can use a manual token to create your own Pabbly Chatflow account. This is the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and this gives the overview of all the activities, insights, and performance metrics. On the left-hand side, where I can see all these options, I have this option of Inbox, which is the central place to manage and reply to customer conversation. Next is Contacts, with manage your leads, customers, and their details. We have this team queues, which assign and manage incoming chats among team members. We have the templates, which create, manage reusable message templates for campaigns. We have this broadcast, which send bulk messages to selected contact or segments. We have this flows, which build automated chatbot workflows and conversation sequences. We have this AI assistant, which use AI tools to auto-generate replies, content, or suggestion. We have this activity log, which track all the activities in the Pabbly Chatflow account. We have the settings. Over here, we can see all the options, which helps us configure account integration and preferences. And finally, we have this get help, which helps us access the support FAQs or contact the help desk. Now let's go back towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and on the left hand side where we can see all these options. To create this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to open this flows. So let's click on this. And here I have landed towards this flow builder. Now to create a new flow, you simply need to click on this add flow. And here we have landed towards this flow builder. Here we can see the total flows, active flows and inactive flows. We can see all the flows which have been created. To create a new flow, we simply need to click on this add flow button. Let's open this. And here we have landed towards the page. Now from here we are going to start creating this WhatsApp chatbot. But before we start this, let's first quickly name this to WhatsApp chatbot for your railing contractor business. And now I have to quickly go through all these options on the left hand side, messages and actions. The first button under messages is text button and media button, which helps us send text messages, images, videos, files. We have this option of list, which helps us provide multiple options to the users. If we want to send the catalog message, single product or multi-product, we can use these buttons. We can use this template, which is a pre-designed message format, which includes text, images, buttons and links. Moving on towards this action, the condition is something which helps us branch the flow. We can ask the address location question from a user and save that to our contact custom field. We can ask them to upload the media. We can set the custom field. We can add tag to segment the users. We can use this API request to send or retrieve the data from external APIs. And then we can finally use this connect flow to connect one flow to another. Now I have to quickly start creating this WhatsApp chatbot. And to start this WhatsApp chatbot or trigger this WhatsApp chatbot, I have to enter the keywords and the regex. I'm quickly going to enter some commonly used keywords like hello and hey. You can also enter the keywords of your product and services. Like here I'm running a railing contractor business. I can enter something related to my product and services. Then we have this option of regex. So regex is like a smart search tool that helps chatbot identify patterns in user messages. So instead of manually listing out every possible keyword, you can define rules to match different variation of words or phrases. Here I'm going to enter the regex like, and we have to make sure that we enter the regex in the same format. So here you can trigger your WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keyword or the regex or both. For now, going to use the regex so as to trigger this WhatsApp chatbot. And over here you can see as soon as we have triggered this WhatsApp chatbot, the next message was sent to me. So how I was able to send this message, for that I'm going to go towards this flow and I'm going to click on the circle, drag and drop the circle, and then have to select my content type. From this drop down you can see all the contents which I have already explained to you. As I want to send the text plus button, I have selected that as my content type and I'm going to enter the text. So here, hey, welcome to ABC Contractor, and I'm going to bold this text. With the help of the star which I'm going to put in the end and in the beginning of the sentence, this is going to bold the text. And then I'm going to ask, how can I assist you today? If you have so many options to provide, you can simply drag and drop this list, or you can select your add content as list. As I have 3 options to provide, I'm going to click on this add button and I'm going to enter the text quickly. And as soon as I provide the text to these buttons, I'm going to provide the messages. First, I'm going to enter the buttons like. So here I have created all the buttons and messages. The first button is request custom code, second is book installation, third is contact support. In this third button, I have provided the message. You can reach out to our team directly over here, and I have provided all the contact information with the location and address. And then I have this book installation. If they are going to ask me for the installation, I'm going to ask them the preferred date, and then I'm going to send them, thank you, your installation appointment request is noted. Our team will confirm the schedule with you shortly. And if they click on this request custom code, I'm going to send this message that please provide the following information, and I'm going to send you the code. Here you can see that I have asked the media question. What I have done, I have simply drag and drop this ask media. I have entered my text and then I have selected my contact custom field. Whenever we are asking the question, it is important to understand that we create this contact custom field, because whenever we are going to ask the question and the user sends the answer, that answer gets saved in this contact custom field and we can use this later. On the left hand side where I can see all these options, I'm going to go towards the settings and then click on this contact custom field. Let's open this. And here I have landed towards this contact custom fields. If I scroll down, I can see all the fields which I have created. Now over here, I have selected the contact custom field as answer, and then I've selected my media type because I'm asking them to upload the photo. So I'm going to ask them, I've selected my media type, and then I'm going to ask the next question. So this is a plain question. I'm not going to ask them to upload the media or anything like that. I'm simply asking their full name. I have created the contact custom field. For this full name, I have selected the format as text because the name will obviously in the text format. And then I've asked them the location. I have entered the text. I have selected my contact custom field as location, which I have created in my contact custom field. You can create as many fields as you want and then save this. And then I've selected my format as any because the location usually has the number and the text mix. And then I'm going to send all these details which I've collected from my users with the help of this API request to this Google Sheet spreadsheet. Now here what I have done, I have built the connection between this API request. I have simply drag and drop this API request and I have clicked on this webhook URL and this box opened in front of me. With the help of the Pabbly Connect integration, I have selected my trigger application as webhook by Pabbly. I have copied this webhook URL and I have pasted that webhook URL over here, and the API request I have selected this as post, and then I have created the question in the key, and then I have selected the contact custom field. Over here, as you can see, I have created an API request already. So I'm going to open this only. I have first asked them the image to upload, then I've asked them the name, and then I've asked them the location, if you remember. And then as I have selected the contact custom field in the question as same as that only, I have selected that over here, and then I've simply click on this test. Now, as soon as I click on the test, the data was sent to my Pabbly Connect workflow, and as I receive this, I have to make sure that I save this. If I do not save this, the flow will start showing invalid. Now, as soon as I've saved this, I took my action application as Google Sheets, and then I have selected my spreadsheet and mapped all the details which I have received from this webhook by Pabbly. So I've mapped all the details which I have received from my WhatsApp chat. Now, as soon as I have sent the data, I have received the data, I have sent this, got it. We'll review your request and get back to you shortly with a code. So this is how we created this WhatsApp chatbot and send the data which we are collecting with the help of this WhatsApp conversation to my Google Sheet spreadsheet with the help of this integration which I have created with the help of Pabbly Connect. Here we have successfully created a WhatsApp chatbot for your railing contractor business, and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbots. If you have any doubts or query, you can drop a comment below this video, and I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.